Hi everybody, welcome to another video with me, Laura, and I have been lucky enough to get my hands on a rather festive, Christmassy crochet kit, and I've been waiting to unbox this with you guys. So now Halloween's all out the way, we can start thinking about all our festive projects, or maybe you hate Christmas, I don't know, but hopefully you'll enjoy watching this video. And if you don't know about Crochet Society, then hopefully it will introduce to you something new to you, something interesting. So if you don't know what Crochet Society is, it is a subscription box, bi-monthly subscription box, and it's a crochet kit. So, and this is their Christmas special one, box 51, and it's no longer available from what I can see, because if you've subscribed, this would have already gone out and it would be on its way to you. So if you are waiting for it and you haven't got it yet, don't watch this video because you'll know what's inside. But if you do subscribe to Crochet Society, you will get an equally gorgeous box in the next one that gets sent out. Let's open this up. And one thing I love about the Crochet Society box is that if you watch my Halloween one, they've got the same thing. It's a little Velcro sticky bit there, so you can reuse these boxes. And I have to say, the designs on their crochet kits are so gorgeous. They're so lovely. They're keepsakes in themselves. And this box is actually really heavy, so I'm very, very curious what's inside. As you can see, I've not opened it. Still got its little sticker. So have a cozy Christmas. So it's extremely festive. So let's see what treats are inside. Okay, so we've got some toy stuffing. So I'm guessing one of the projects is going to be something that requires some toy stuffing. So, and ooh, we got some gorgeous yarns here. Oh my gosh. Chunky yarns as well, my favorite. Christmas chunky. And this is a 100% acrylic yarn. It's called Santa's Cap. So that's very appropriate for a red colour. So Santa's Cap. And I have to say, this yarn is really, really squishy. This is a really nice yarn. Oh my gosh, if you don't make the patterns in here, this would be made useful for so many other gorgeous projects. So we have one ball of this Santa's Cap red. And let's just move this back a little bit. And we have this gorgeous yellow ochre colour, and it's called Glimmer 20. Again, 100% acrylic, 100 grams, 120 meters. And it looks like it's a chunky, so this is going to be a 5 to 6 millimeter crochet hook. And so this is like a kind of yellow ochre colour. It's how well that shows up on camera, kind of like a gold colour, so it's really lovely. It goes so well with the red. And to offset that, we have a cream, which is always good. I do love having a cream or a white to go with colours in a kit. And this is called Snowfall. So yeah, Snowfall 03, so Snowfall 3. So we get 3 balls of this chunky yarn. So I'm very curious what patterns have been designed in it. We also seem to have an extra ball in here, which I'm very curious about. This is different. So, oh no, it's still a chunky, Christmas chunky. So it's the same yarn weight as this. Again, 100% acrylic. It's just a smaller ball, and it's in the buttermint. So it's like this kind of spearmint blue color. Really nice. So I'm very curious. Got a little ball of that. Ha, wow. Now I have to confess, I did have a little sneaky peek when this box first turned up, but I didn't completely go through it all because I wanted to save it for this video, but I did know that there was something wooden in this box, and it's a cup, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Have you seen this? It's Crochet Society branded with this reindeer, and it's like this, it just feels like bamboo. It feels like bamboo. It's so lovely. I love that. That's going to be my new cup. So you could either use this as a cup, I guess, or you could use it as a crochet hook holder or something like that, a little sort of bits and bobs type pot if you want to, so anything you want to use it for. So there we go, we have that. And okay, let's see what else is inside. Now there's an envelope, just an empty envelope, blank envelope, so I have no idea what's in here. This is exciting. Let's open this up. And, so it's not as exciting as I thought it would be, but it is some toy safety eyes. So it looks like a pair just one pair. So there's obviously some kind of amigurumi involved in this kit somewhere. So yeah, some toy eyes. And we have a candy cane. This looks like a pen, a candy cane pen. So that's super fun. That's so nice. I love that. That's really cute. You could actually hang that on your tree if you wanted to. So that's a little pen for your note taking. And as always, with most of the Crochet Society kits, there is a stitch marker, and we have 2 stitch markers. We have what looks like, I'm not sure what this is. It's like a little sort of reindeer, kind of horse type thing, Christmassy style. And we also have a mitten as well, which is really cute. The beautiful little pattern on it. So hopefully you can see those. I love those. And they have a really nice texture as well. Very soft, almost like rubbery texture, which is really nice. Okay, we have a very, very sparkly crochet hook. And this is a 5.5mm Crochet Society crochet hook. Obviously to go with the yarn, the chunky yarn, and this is gorgeous. This is so sparkly, so it's very, very Christmassy. This is definitely going to be coming out this season in my projects. I might be using this in some of my tutorials. And last but not least, we seem to have, I think this is like a phone holder, and I'm probably going to put this in the wrong way around, but let's just connect this. There we go. So this looks like a phone holder. So let's just grab my phone. Just grab the phone, take it out of its case, and we have a phone holder, which is super useful when you're reading your digital crochet patterns. You can just prop that up. So that's really, really lovely and really festive as well. Beautifully made. So let's have a look at the crochet patterns that come in this box. So I'm just going to move this box out of the way. That's it for the contents. So it looks like we have 4 patterns to choose from in this crochet kit, and this box is a collaboration with Jenny Conduit and Zoë Potrac. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. And the designs are, we have a Scandi Snowfall Cowl, if you can see there, this one here. We also have some merry and bright hat and mittens. So accessorize your outfits with this all essential festive set. We also have some fun granny striped trees, little granny trees, which are really cute little Christmas decorations. And my favorite absolutely is this little bird here, the True Love turtle doves. I absolutely love that. And if you can see those there. So there we go, and you get a whole magazine here. So there's interviews with Zoe, and the patterns are actually in the book, so you don't have to go online if you don't want to. And we have the pattern, keep that secret. Got the cowl pattern, and also talking about, like in my last video, also talking about the Halloween box. And I think some of these are still available on the website, you'd have to check. But that's such a gorgeous box, really love that. And yes, the turtle doves pattern is next up, and that's designed by Jenny. Nice one, Jenny, love that. And I think that's about it. And then they're sharing other people's makes from the Crochet Society membership. So that's it. Christmas 2024. Absolutely gorgeous. Really nice pattern book. So there we go. That's my little unboxing. I'm very tempted to make the turtle doves. They are absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know, but I don't know whether I'll just go rogue and make something just with the yarn myself. I don't know. So comment below if I should make one of these or whether I should design something myself to go with this yarn. That'd be like a bonus pattern with this kit. But like I said, this crochet kit is not available via the subscription anymore because these got sent out in October. And but if you are interested in subscribing to Crochet Society, then you'll get something equally as gorgeous when the next box goes out. So they're always lovely boxes, just like the Halloween special one as well. But some of these might be available on the website soon. I don't know, you'll have to check the website. Sometimes they have some little extra ones on sale that you can get extra boxes. That does happen. There are some there on there as well that you can check out. But I think my favorite thing is absolutely the cup and the sparkly crochet hook. I love that. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed a little unboxing with me, a little extra bonus video. And it's just really nice connecting with you and sharing some crochet time with you. I just wish you were actually all here, maybe not 1 million of you, but I wish you were all here and we could have a nice hot drink, hot cocoa or something and do some crochet together. That'd be so nice. But until next time, join me in my next video. I think it's going to be that geometric granny square that I talked about in my last video. And if you haven't seen the last video, go check it out. I'm teaching Missy to crochet. And so it's not like a beginner lesson per se, it's more like a podcast and just having some fun with Missy, trying to get him to learn to crochet, so it's super fun. Go check that out. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do everything you want, dislike if you like, and I will see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!